So this is the package I got from PartsAvatar for my car, for my Pacifica, for the Serpentine belt replacement. And they packaged all the 3 parts I ordered nicely in one box. This is the automatic belt tensioner. This is the poly belt drive component, and this is the Serpentine belt, all from Daiko I chose. It was pretty easy to order that online, and it arrived very fast, within a few days. Everything packaged nicely, and tomorrow I'm gonna go and replace the parts. So thumbs up for the service, and hope you also enjoy the same experience I have enjoyed. Thank you.